Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you an amazing natural remedy that I recently discovered, an Epsom salt and rosemary foot soak. This simple soak can help relieve tired, achy feet and has some great benefits for your overall health and well-being too. I first learned about Epsom salt foot soaks when my feet were killing me after a long day of standing at work. I used to just soak my feet in warm water at the end of the day, but that never seemed to really help much. But then I did some research and found out that adding Epsom salts can make a huge difference. Epsom salt is actually a naturally occurring mineral compound made up of magnesium and sulfate. And get this, magnesium plays over 300 roles in the body, and most people are actually deficient. One of the main ways magnesium benefits the body is by reducing inflammation and swelling. Soaking your feet in warm water with Epsom salts can draw out toxins, while the magnesium absorbs through your skin to help reduce muscle soreness, relieve tension, and decrease inflammation. No wonder my basic foot soaks never helped much. But Epsom salts on their own can make for a pretty boring soak, so I decided to add some fresh rosemary from my garden to make it a more relaxing and aromatic experience. Rosemary has a great fresh herbaceous scent, and it also has additional benefits for your feet. Rosemary contains antioxidants that can help boost circulation and improve blood flow to your feet and legs. It also has antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, so it can help cleanse and deodorize tired, stinky feet. And rosemary has a ton of benefits for your mind and body too. Its scent can help reduce stress and anxiety, while also improving memory and focus. Its anti-inflammatory properties are great for reducing muscle and joint aches, so adding it to an Epsom salt foot bath creates a soak that's truly good for both your mind and body. Let me show you just how easy these rosemary and Epsom salt foot soaks are to make at home. All you need is 1 2-cup of Epsom salts, 1 2-cup of coarse sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, several fresh sprigs of rosemary, a large basin or bucket for soaking your feet. Start by filling your basin about halfway with warm, not hot, water. You want it to be nice and warm, but not so hot that it's uncomfortable. Then add the Epsom salts and sea salt and stir until fully dissolved. The sea salt contains additional minerals that work together with the Epsom salt to help draw out toxins and reduce inflammation. Finally, add the fresh rosemary sprigs. I like to lightly crush them to help release their oils. You should immediately smell that refreshing rosemary scent. Now, all that's left is to soak your feet. Slip off your shoes and socks and dip your feet in. Try to soak for 15-20 minutes to give the Epsom salts and rosemary time to fully work their magic. I like to soak my feet in the evening as a way to unwind before bed. The warm water is soothing, while the rosemary aroma is calming. Soaking before bed can help improve sleep quality too. When the time is up, pat your feet dry with a clean towel. Be sure to drink some extra water after soaking to stay hydrated. You may even want to moisturize your feet with some coconut oil or lotion, since the Epsom salts can be drying. I've been trying to do these rosemary and Epsom salt foot soaks too, 3 times a week, and I've really noticed a difference in how my feet feel. They have less achiness and swelling after long days on my feet, plus they smell great from the rosemary. I hope you'll give this simple but amazing foot soak a try for yourself. It's the perfect self-care ritual to reduce everyday foot pain and boost your magnesium levels. Let me know in the comments if you try it and how it works for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more natural wellness tips and DIY remedies like this one every week. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.